Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new to my channel. My name is Tanya, and today I thought to film my day because I am alone in Delhi and I thought we'll go on a little date with myself. That's the fit check today. Let's go.
Next station is Phase 2 station.
Guys, I reached just now and I'm so hungry, so the first thing I'm gonna do is go and grab some food. So yeah. I ate the McDonald's just now. I was so hungry literally, and I went to the first place where I could find, even though there were so many options. Like, I was confused, but right now I'm gonna go and find QNIQLO. This mall is so big. Like, go to H&M first. I'm gonna order some food now because it's almost 9 and I haven't eaten anything yet other than the McDonald's that we ate this morning. ठीक है. They said it will take 15 minutes, so I'll quickly go in and go for a shower. Yeah. Hi guys, I just took a shower. Took a hot shower and it was everything that I needed. And I'm wearing my new pajamas that I got from QNIQLO today. And now for the most exciting part, I am eating my dinner. Shredded potato with beef, and then Chinese cabbage, and then rice. And also I'm watching The Office. You know, honestly, it's moments like these that I feel grateful for life. Like, I'm straight out of the shower, in a comfy pajamas, eating the best meal, eating my favorite meals. Like, life is just good. Like, there's nothing I can complain about. It's just good.
Ah, this is for real this time. It's getting late.
Hey guys, welcome to the ultimate haul. First we'll open QNIQLO. 2 huge bags of QNIQLO. Okay, look at the receipt. And the total was 30,000. First shirt. And this is so cute. It will clear up now. This is a story only she and I know about. The story of the secret of this world. So cute. Plain white shirt with this drawing on it. It's so cute. Third t-shirt, and then this is just a plain shirt. The color is beautiful. And then we have this plain gray shirt. It was on sale, so I bought it. And this is also for my brother. Extra large shirt. And then we have this black plain shirt from QNIQLO. So in total I bought 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 t-shirts. 6 t-shirts, and then next we have pants. This is for my brother. More pants. I bought 2 pants in different shades. One is a bit of a lighter, and then I bought this dress for my brother's wife. It's an orange summery picnic dress, since you guys can imagine, right? And then second bag, there's 2 boxes for my brother. And then I bought few lingeries which I do not think you guys need to know, so I'm not gonna show it on the camera. And then I bought this for myself. It's just a very light pant, perfect for summer and like just a casual wear. All the clothes from Uniqlo are basically like not really stylish, but very minimal, very minimal, clean, and yeah, good quality, high quality clothes. So that's why they are a bit of on the expensive side, but I think it's worth it because the quality is really nice. And the pant, the same design in 2 colors. One is like blue dark, and then another one is beige, but in this camera it's kind of looking like white. It's not, it's a beige light tone. 5 pants, 6 shirt, 1 dress, and 5 lingeries, 2 boxers. And that was all the stuff that we got, and it was 30,000, guys. Yeah, I forgot about this one. I got this PJ as well for myself. This pajama set. I went to Zara, and there's not really much that I like, but I just bought one thing, and it was for my brother as well. It was this top. He said he wants like a hard flannel that is kind of like a coat as well. You can wear it over a shirt. So it was also on sale. It was actually 5,000. It was actually 5,000, and I got it for 2,800 something. So good deal. And last but not least, we have my favorite, H&M. So from H&M I got only 2 pants for myself. I wanted to buy tank tops, but yeah, I control myself. I bought 2 pants. First we have, I don't know why in this camera it looks white, but it's beige kind of thing. And then I bought this cargo pants. Oh, I got this pant, and then I bought another pant. It is kind of like an office wear. It's just perfect, and both of these fit me perfectly, which is rare. I don't know, for some reason I have very hard time getting pants on my size. It's either too big, it's never too small. Got back, I took a shower, and I'm just laying in my bed right now eating Pringles and Pocky strawberry flavor, and I'm just watching TV. So today I did my nails, and I freaking love it. These kind of nails are pretty trendy right now, and honestly I thought they use like a metallic paintbrush or metallic gel polish or something, but actually they paint it white, and after that they put silver glitter of some sort on it, and then it sort of become like this. Hi guys, we just hit 1K on YouTube. Yay! And honestly I cannot imagine 1,000 people watching me do me lame stuff. But yeah, thank you so much for all my beautiful subscribers. I really appreciate it. Honestly though, we are a family of 1,000 people. But honestly, to think about it realistically, it's kind of crazy. But thank you so much to all the beautiful people, and I'll promise to work harder and give you guys better and better contents. But before I end this video, I genuinely want to thank all of you 1,000 people watching me. And yeah, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel and seeing a potential in me. I don't know why you guys are sub to me, but yeah, it's crazy to think that 1,000 people are actually watching me. But thank you so much, and I'm gonna work harder, and yeah, I'll try to give you guys much better content as much as possible. And yeah, this is just the beginning, guys. I'm telling you, lots of good things are coming. So this is going to be end of this video. Thank you for watching till the end of this video, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.